This aromatic spice has been prized for centuries for its warm and comforting flavor. But did you know that cinnamon also offers a multitude of health benefits? From its potential to regulate blood sugar levels to its powerful antioxidant properties, cinnamon is truly a superstar in the world of natural remedies. So grab a cup of cinnamon spice tea and join us as we explore 10 amazing health benefits that cinnamon has to offer. Cinnamon has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and help regulate blood sugar levels. It may be beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. Cinnamon is rich in antioxidants, which help protect the body against damage from free radicals. These antioxidants have anti-inflammatory properties and may contribute to overall health and well-being. Cinnamon contains compounds that have anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation is associated with various health conditions, and cinnamon may help alleviate symptoms. Cinnamon has been found to have positive effects on heart health. It may help lower blood pressure, reduce bad cholesterol levels, and improve overall cardiovascular function. Cinnamon has been shown to enhance cognitive function and improve brain health. It may help improve memory, attention, and overall cognitive performance. Cinnamon has antimicrobial properties that can help fight against certain bacteria and fungi. It may be effective in combating infections and supporting a healthy immune system. Cinnamon aids in digestion by stimulating the production of digestive enzymes. It can help reduce bloating, indigestion, and may provide relief from digestive discomfort. Some studies suggest that cinnamon may have potential anti-cancer effects. Its compounds have been found to inhibit the growth of cancer cells and may help protect against certain types of cancer. Cinnamon may help with weight management by regulating blood sugar levels, reducing cravings, and boosting metabolism. Including cinnamon in your diet may aid in weight loss or weight maintenance goals. Cinnamon has antimicrobial properties that can help fight against oral bacteria, reducing the risk of dental problems such as tooth decay and bad breath. That's all. Hope that you have enjoyed it. Catch you on the next one.